Hi everybody, so in this video I'm going to show you how I edit my vlogs. So I'm just showing you my home screen right now, and that's my iMovie, and I downloaded an app which is coming up in my what's on my iPhone video. Shout out to my camera. I'm trying to get it to focus, whatever. Then I press the plus, then I click movie, and then I choose the theme that I want. They're really nice, fun themes. Not a lot. I really wish iMovie had more option, but it's just very basic as far as I'm concerned. So I'm just going ahead, choosing what theme I want, and I'm going to choose the neon theme. Then click create in the upper right hand corner. Then when you have it, I have it horizontal. So then I click that little thingy there, and then I click recent videos or recently added, I think, and I scroll through what clip I want to add to the movie. Now I clicked this clip, and this is my starter clip that I created. So it just says subscribe for more. Welcome to Look and Cut. Subscribe for more. So this is how I created that intro. I downloaded an app called Intro Designer. That's it. That's not what the icon looks like. I changed up the icon, but that's what it's called. It's called Intro Designer. There it is. And you click the plus, and you go ahead and you create whatever intro you want, and you download the templates. They have different templates there. Clicking the plus again just to show you guys, and then at the bottom, that's where you choose the templates. Now you have Intro Designer Lite, which is what I had, and they only give us just a little bit of just a small amount of options. So I went ahead and I bought Intro Designer, which is about couple cents, I think. I'm trying to get this into focus and it's just not working out. So a couple cents, I think, and I got all of these intros for absolutely not for free, but I just got a whole lot more options than what I had before. So I'm going to choose that there. You know, I'm just gonna zoom in for you guys. Let me just zoom in. Okay, we're a little bit closer. So now I'm choosing my template, and I'm just going to show you guys what it looks like when you choose the templates. You can't turn it horizontal. I was trying to see if I can do it horizontally, but it doesn't. And just that's what it looks like. And then you put in whatever it is that you want to put in. So then I'm choosing, so which one I want to do. No, actually, I think I'm looking for my intro. There's the intro that I use, and then I just put in what I wanted to do. So that's the welcome to Lyric Uncut. Subscribe for more. But I put in whatever I want to put in, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So this app is called Intro Designer. I just bought the one that gave me more options. It was either $1 or like a couple cents. I can't remember. You can do Intro Lite. You can, because this that I'm using now, it's on Intro Lite. So it says tap to change titles. So you tap, and then you just exit what's there or delete what's there, and then you type in whatever you want to be there. So I'm typing in what? You and I. I can hardly see, this laptop is so small. You and I. And you have a date there. And I'm just typing in YouTube. Go, go, go! Don't play with me. YouTube! So I'm just going to show you guys now where I made the changes. Oh, double tap. Because it says, instructions are all over. So it says double tap to add image. And I double tapped. So now I'm just scrolling through what image I want to add in the thingy. And I'm just going to add that one just for kicks. And that's my image. You know what I mean? Like, I was just searching through, and then I saw it to YouTube. And then now you can change the position and the font and the size. So I'm just changing the size. So YouTube getting bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. You can change it to whatever size that you want, and it can, I'm putting it back down to a normal size. You can change the direction of where you can put it. You and I. So I'm going to erase you and I'm going to type in lyric, I think. Lyric Uncut, I think is what I'm typing in, and it says there right at the top, and it says I'm changing the font. Look, let me see if I can watch my brother. Big up my brother Ray. Hopefully you guys are seeing. It took me forever to there we go. crystal clear. So lyric uncut, and I'm going to show you guys now. You can, down the bottom where you see those AAs, you can change the font, the color, the size. I mean, it's an amazing app. So observe, you see how lyric uncut is being, like, the font is being changed. Not sure if you guys can see that. So now I'm just making it bigger again, just showing you guys. I mean, the versatility that you have with it is just, it's just amazing. It's too much. It is literally, it's just too much. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I want to see if I can find one for my Mac, because this is for like um devices and not necessarily for the Mac or anything like that. So I'm just changing the position. You see? I mean, it's, I mean, the things that I can do with this app. So now I'm coming out, and I'm going back into iMovie. And I think I was going to try and play something. I was like, nope, that's not what I want. I'm going to come back out of it. Because whenever I do my movies, my vlogs, edit my vlogs, once they're uploaded, I always delete them from my phone. I go into my recently deleted folders and delete it from the phone completely to free up the space, because these files are huge. My phone is a 64 GB. It's the iPhone 6 Plus, and it's a 64 GB. And yeah, so I film a lot on it. A lot, as you can imagine, because I vlog every single day. So now I'm just going to tap and do that down thingy there, that down arrow, and just add my files, add whatever I want to add to it. Go back to the top because I forgot I didn't add my intro. Scroll, find my intro, tap it, then click it, and in it goes. And then I'm going to scroll all the way down and then tap again and then include my outro. Oh yeah, oh, I made this too with intro designer, and I have a file called social where you can do Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and another one, but I don't have one for Periscope. So hopefully this can be upgraded, and we'll have all this, and I have a Pinterest introduction as well. So this is it. Welcome to the vlog. And that's how I edit my vlogs. I film on my iPhone 6 Plus, 64 GB, and I'm turning it. I'm just scrubbing to bring it closer to the end, where you can see the outro. But yeah, so that's how I do my thing, man. Beautiful, right? I love it. I love it so much. The convenience of it all. Now the only drawback is uploading, because I have been trying to upload one video for 3 days, and I had to stop, restart my phone, all that junk. I don't know if I have to, but I just did it just for my own sake. And yeah, so I have some vlogs ready for you guys on Lyric Uncut. They're already over there. That's what my phone looks like. That's the case I have on it. Thank you so much for requesting this video on my Lyric Uncut channel, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you guys.